Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I would like to do today guys is show you the easiest and best way to mask glass in Photoshop. Glass can be a really tricky material to deal with as a graphic designer, but what I would like to do today is show you just a simple step-by-step process that you would need to follow. So like I say, to find the easiest and the best way to mask glass in Adobe Photoshop. Okay, what I'm going to do now is just select all these layers here, and let's just get rid of these, like so. So we have the original image of the bar, and we have the original image of the glass. Now, as you can see, it looks not really real at the moment, it's pretty fake, so we need to really improve the way this looks. What I'm going to do is duplicate this layer 3 times. The shortcut to do that on a Mac is Command J, and on Windows it is Control J. So if I press Command J once, Command J twice, and Command J 3 times. To this bottom layer, what I'm going to do is apply a blending mode of multiply. And then we're going to come to our next layer here. And yet again, I'm going to apply a blending mode of multiply, but I'm going to take the opacity down now to 50%. I'm then going to come to this layer and we're going to apply a blending mode of luminosity. And yet again, we're going to remove the opacity down to 50%. And we're going to come to our top layer here and we're going to add a blending mode of soft light. And yet again, I'm going to take the opacity now down to 50%. Okay, so we've applied our blending modes to our layers now, but what we really need to do is start to manipulate sort of the colors of a particular layer to really bring through that glass effect. Now to our second layer here, what I'm now going to do is come through and double click. And what I want to do is come through and affect the current layer here. So if I bring this toggle all the way across here, like so, as you can see, starting to come through there. And I just need to separate this this toggle here, and the shortcut to do it on the Mac is Option and click and drag, or Alt on Windows. And I'm just going to separate there like so, bring that across. Okay, as you can see now, the glass is looking really realistic in this environment. And what I want to do is quickly add a shadow. So I'm going to add a layer underneath everything and just reselect one of the glass layers by pressing Command and clicking on the layer. And with that selection live, I'm now going to right click and we're going to apply a feather. Probably a feather radius of about 40 would be okay. And we're going to go right click, fill, and fill this with the color black. And then I'm going to deselect Command D on Mac or Control D on Windows, and let's press Control T on Windows or Command T on Mac to get the transform options open. I'm going to right click and let's press distort. Then I can just manipulate this shadow here, just to correspond here. Got to bring this one down. There we go. Let's bring that one down there a little bit like there. There we go. Maybe bring that in here. Just bring that one in there. So. Just going to add a little layer mask to the shadow layer here. And just come through and just take that little bit of shadow off. There. And there you have it, guys. That's how you place glass and use glass within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.